Ever heard that cracking your knuckles might give you arthritis? Well, here's the surprising truth. Cracking knuckles is often thought to lead to arthritis or joint damage. Many of us have been warned by our parents or friends to stop this habit to avoid future health issues. Many people believe that cracking your knuckles wears down cartilage or damages the joints, potentially leading to arthritis. But is this actually true, or is it just a myth? Scientific studies show no significant link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One famous long-term study by Dr. Donald Unger demonstrated that cracking his knuckles every day for years did not lead to arthritis in his hands. The cracking sound we hear is actually from nitrogen gas bubbles in the joint fluid popping under pressure, not bones rubbing together. So, cracking your knuckles isn't about bones grinding. It's caused by the pressure change in the synovial fluid within the joint. However, even though cracking knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, some experts suggest that frequent cracking could weaken the ligaments around the joint over time. If you crack your knuckles to relieve tension, try some hand stretches or other relaxation techniques. These can help you relax without the need for knuckle cracking. Have you heard any other health myths you're curious about? Comment below, and we'll debunk them in the next episode.